SPH4U energy momentum 3.3 law of conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that in an isolated system, energy can be converted into different forms but cannot be created or destroyed. So basically speaking, it states that total energy input is equal to total energy output. It can be given by the equation ET1 is equal to ET2. So initial total energy is equal to final total energy. So for the forms of energy that we know so far, EK1 plus EG1 plus ETH1 so equal to AK2 plus EG2 plus ETH2. So here's an example of a question that uses the law of conservation of energy. So an eagle with an initial velocity of 7.2 meters per second at a height of 2.21 swoops up to a height of 3.05 meters. So what's the final velocity of this eagle? So we know that in the initial, the velocity is equal to 7.2 meters per second, and the height is equal to 2.21 meters. In the final, we're trying to find the velocity, and we know that the height is equal to 3.05 meters. So we have the equation ET1 is equal to ET2. So 1/2 mv1 squared plus mgh1 is equal to 1/2 mvf squared plus mgh2. You realize that there's mass in all the terms, so it cancels out, which makes sense because we do not know the mass of the eagle. So now we just need to use algebra to solve for Vf. So 1/2 v1 squared plus gh1 minus gh2 all times 2, and all square rooted is equal to Vf. So the square root of 2 times 1/2 times 7.2 squared plus 9.8 times 2.21 minus 9.8 times 3.05. That is all equal to Vf. So that means that Vf is equal to 6.6 meters per second. So that was an example of a question that uses the law of conservation of energy.